Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to change your router name on your Windows PC. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a detail. Now the first thing that we need to do is we need to figure out the actual name of our router. So we need to go into our network and sharing center by first going into control panel. All we need to do is to press start and then start searching for control panel right here. Now what we're gonna do is we need to go into view, network status and tasks. And then you should be able to see which network you are currently using or connected to. So at the moment, as you can see, I am connected to network 5. And then what we need to do now is to search for seccpol.msc right here. And then we're going to go into network list manager policies. So go ahead and click on this. And now you should be able to see all the different network names. So search for the one that you're currently on and then right click into properties. Now as you can see here, we can go ahead and toggle name. And now we can go ahead and adjust the name of our router. And then go ahead and click apply. Then click OK. And then you would need to go back into network and sharing center. And as you can see, your router name has now changed. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.